What happens when I clear the data on an app?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to demystify a common procedure that many of you might have wondered about. What happens when I clear the data on an app? Let's delve into the topic and clarify what it means to clear your app data, and why it might be useful, or even necessary, to do so.
What does clearing app data mean?
When you install an application on your device, it starts storing information in a dedicated space. This information, or app data, includes your user settings, profiles, and even saved files within the app. Clearing app data, also known as a hard reset, means that you're essentially deleting all the stored information from the app on your device. Think of it as a spring cleaning for your app, wiping it back to its initial state, just as it was when you first installed it.
What exactly happens when you clear app data?
So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. When you clear an app's data, a few things will happen. 1. User information is deleted. All of your custom settings, profiles, login information, and other user data are removed. The app will no longer recognize you as a previous user. 2. App-specific files are removed. If you've saved files within the app, for example, drafts in a note-taking app, downloads in a browser app, or progress in a game app, these will be deleted as well. 3. The app resets to its default state. Following the data clearance, the app will revert to its factory settings. It will behave as though you've just installed it, without any of your previous history or adjustments.
Why and when should you clear app data?
There are a few reasons why you might want to clear your app data. 1. To save storage space. Apps can accumulate a large amount of data over time. Clearing this data can free up valuable storage space on your device. 2. To solve app performance issues. If an app is misbehaving, not working properly, or crashing, clearing the app data might solve the problem. It's a bit like turning your device off and on again. A fresh start often resolves many issues. 3. For privacy reasons. If you're using a shared device, or if you're about to sell or give away your device, you might want to clear app data to ensure your personal information isn't accessible to others. However, before you clear app data, keep in mind that all data will be permanently deleted. If there are important files or information within the app that you wish to keep, make sure to back them up first. In conclusion, clearing app data is a powerful tool that allows you to free up storage space, troubleshoot app performance, and maintain your privacy. However, remember that it completely wipes your app slate clean, so always make sure to back up any important data before you proceed. We hope this video has been informative and clarified what happens when you clear an app's data. Until next time, stay tech savvy.